Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Today I will show you how to learn English very easily. I have writing a small story where present, past, future, modal verb and questions are all included. If you learn those words, you can speak English very easily. I am learning English every day. I am reading, I am writing, and I am speaking. I have a dream. I have to work hard for my dream. I want to speak English fluently. I want to talk to people with confidence. I can do it if I try every day. Yesterday I was very tired, but I was studying. I had many problems, but I did not stop. I had to practice. I wanted to give up, but I wanted to be strong. I should not waste time. I I could study more if I planned it well. I would speak better if I practiced daily. Tomorrow I will be better. I will learn new words. I will be practicing more and more. I will have good skills soon. I will have to continue and I will want to improve. I will want to share my knowledge with others. What do you want to learn? When will you start? Where will you practice? What do you want to learn? Who will support you? Which way is best for you? Which way is best for you? How will you continue? I can do it. You can do it. We all can do it. So, my friends, this was a simple story with many important English structure. If you practice like this every day, English will not be difficult for you anymore. Remember, practice make you perfect. Don't stop. Keep learning, and one day you will speak English fluently with confidence. Thank you for watching. Stay connected and keep practicing.